So this video, I've been waiting a very long time to make. Approximately 7, almost 8 months. I placed an order for an item in August of 21. And it's just been delivered. I have not seen it. I have not opened it. Well, I'll do it on camera and we'll see what's in here. So let me go ahead and set the camera up and start cutting this open. I'm going to scare the neighbors one more time before we move out, just for old time's sake. There we have it. Nice hard case. Alright, let's see what we get. I asked for a World War II with original stock if possible. I know I'm getting a 1943 rifle. Don't know about the stock, so let's find out. Oh, that's a pretty one. $3/17 of 2022 is when my order was processed. It's a Springfield Armory, 1943. It looks like my muzzle reading's a 2. The rote reading, I can't tell what that is exactly. Looks like I might have gotten some pretty original stock. Let's see. Looks like possibly a proof mark. I'll need to do some research on that. Oh, there it is right there. There's my P. Got a rack number on the top. And take over the camera here. So it looks like I got pretty much exactly what I requested. I'm happy with it. Let's see. With my barrel dated, I'll have to take it. I'll have to really take it apart, see what exactly I got, but I am extremely happy with what I got. I have wanted one of these for 20 plus years. Finally got it, got some good character on it. Now I just get to take it all apart and find out exactly what I got, how original it is, and of course take it out to the range and get some rounds sent down. Can't wait for that. So there's the unboxing, first look at the same time as me of my 1943 M1, as a lot of people down here call it Grand, but Garand, whatever you want to call it. Finally got to check off one of my biggest bucket list guns. Might not be a big bucket list gun to other people, but to me, this is. So, thanks for watching, and keep tuned for range day with this beauty as we get it out and hit some steel hopefully here soon at the farm. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.